Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're called out today for a walk-in cooler that there was a lot of water dripping inside, or condensation, and she thought it was coming from the cooler. But we checked downstairs, everything looks fine, and we came to the roof, and this is what we found on the roof. So here's my mask, by the way. So we come to the roof, and that's the condenser right there, and the copper lines are these right here, and you can see the copper lines where there's, like right here, see there's some cracks there, and right here where the copper lines go in, that right there. So that's where we found the water seeping through. So when it rains, water goes in through the copper line and to that side. Someone redid her roof, and so that's how she's getting the water. So she'll call the roofing company back, and they'll come back out here and fix that there for her. So that'll solve her problem. I went ahead and I checked her the drain line and checked the freon levels and things like that, and everything looks good. So this is a little restaurant downtown, and you know, we checked out her air conditioning, refrigeration things, but we checked this today, and just give us a peace of mind that everything's okay. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube videos under ABC Austin Service Express. Okay, again, 512-448-0532. We're working air conditioning, heating, refrigeration, coolers, freezers, ice machines, all that good stuff. Okay, all right guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.